Okay, so today I want to talk about foot traffic and how it's not all created equal. My name is Rich, and welcome to my channel. This is Light Street Creations. So let's talk about foot traffic. I did 3 craft shows over the past 2 weekends, and 2 of them I bombed. The third one I did really well in. I'd like to talk about what happened and why I did well at the third one and not so well, or not so good, or however you want to say it, at the first two. Crash and burn, maybe. That's a better way to put it. So the first craft show, it was advertised as a car show slash craft show, and initially when the event was first held, it was much more of a craft show and no car show. But then she brought in the car show, and the car show got bigger and bigger and bigger, and the craft show got smaller and smaller and smaller. So the foot traffic was there for the car show, not so much for the craft show. So they weren't really looking to purchase anything. They weren't looking to buy. They were just kind of looking at her stuff, and that's it. It wasn't very much of a craft show at all. Good vendor turnout, good foot traffic, just wasn't good quality foot traffic. Second event was a pop-up shop at a local store, and if you don't know what a pop-up shop is, that's basically where a local store will get local artists or vendors or handmade crafters, and they'll advertise their business, and the crafters will advertise themselves and the business. You all kind of work in tandem to advertise for each other. The foot traffic was good, but it was, again, passersby. It was joggers, dog walkers, people that were there for the bakery, or they were there at local businesses and they just came out and saw what we were doing and walked around, but they weren't really eager to buy. That wasn't a crowd that was looking to buy anything, unless you got a spontaneous buy, which I did get a few spontaneous buys, but all in all, it didn't go very well. So the third craft show, and I'm sorry, I'm doing this in one take, just because I'm short on time. If you like what you're seeing, please hit the subscribe button, and please hit the like button. So moving on, the third craft show was awesome. It was on a farm. They had a petting zoo. They had food trucks, live music, a corn maze, all of that stuff. And it was advertised as a fall flea market. The people that were coming out knew that they were coming to a flea market. They had cash in hand. They were ready to purchase. They were ready to buy. And that was a good quality foot traffic vendor event. So my point to you, let me try to wrap this up, is that not all foot traffic is created equal. You can have a lot of foot traffic, but if nobody's there ready to buy or eager to buy, you're not going to do very well. But if you have foot traffic that knows that you're trying to sell items, and they know that they're showing up to possibly find something that they like, and they have cash in hand ready to go, you're going to do much better. So my advice to you is, if you are looking to get into doing craft shows, talk to the person that's hosting the craft show, talk to the coordinator, and ask them what the foot traffic is like. Ask them if they've had high foot traffic in the past, how the vendors have done, do they have a lot of repeat vendors, things like that. So that's always important. You want to have good quality foot traffic. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.